Who are you? कौन हो तुम या तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who knows? कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who all know? कौन कौन जानता है? Who all know? Who said? किसने कहा? Who said? Who painted this room? इस कमरे को किसने रंग किया? Who painted this room? Who is that boy? वो लड़का कौन है? Who is that boy? Who is that girl? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is this in this selfie? इस सेल्फी में कौन है ये? Who is this in this selfie? Who is playing the cricket? क्रिकेट कौन खेल रहा है? Who is playing the cricket? Who is your favorite cricketer? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा क्रिकेटर कौन सा है? Who is your favorite cricketer? Why are you so late today? आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why is this fan not working? ये पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why is this fan not working? When do you study? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When does it start? ये कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When did you buy this car? तुमने ये कार कब खरीदी? When did you buy this car? When is your birthday? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When are you coming back? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? Hassan was out when I called. हसन बाहर था जब मैंने कॉल की. Hassan was out when I called. When is your exams? तुम्हारे इम्तिहान कब से हैं? When is your exams? When will we arrive? हम कब पहुँचेंगे? When will we arrive? Whenever you have time, message me. जब तुम्हारे पास वक्त हो मुझे मैसेज करना. Whenever you have time, message me. When I came home, Fatima was crying. जब मैं घर आया फातिमा रो रही थी. When I came home, Fatima was crying. When he was 20, he got married. जब वो 20 साल का था तो उसकी शादी हो गई. When he was 20, he got married. I'll call you when we go. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा जब हम जाएंगे. I'll call you when we go. When will Iram meet him? इरम उससे कब मिलेगी? When will Iram meet him? When did you sleep? तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? I don't know who made this cake. मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया. I don't know who made this cake. I have grown 2 inches this year. इस साल मैं 2 इंच लंबा हुआ हूँ. I have grown 2 inches this year. Old habits die hard. पुरानी आदतें मुश्किल से छूटती हैं. Old habits die hard. Long time no see. काफ़ी अरसे से नज़र नहीं आए. Long time no see. I'm good at it. मैं इसमें अच्छा हूँ. I am good at it. How is it going? कैसा चल रहा है? How is it going?